Hi guys, we are back for another video. Today we will try to go to volcano and let's try to be the first one in the raid. So Furia number 3. Let's play it. I dropped my phone. So what? Through my game? It's acting kind of weird. My game is acting kind of weird. Oh, bro. Come on. No. No. Oh no. Shoot. Bro, what? I can buy it. I don't want to wait. Ten shields already. No. This is gonna be hard. Oh my god. Okay. I can't wait a minute. Your voice consoles me as the earth passes. Your voice consoles me. No, I wasted my magic. Can I play the final round? Shit, this is not looking good for me. And us is last. Furia is second. Third is Hell, that's me. Third is first. And us is fourth. As the earth passes, you know how it feels to rest. Bro, what? There's 2 seconds left. How did I? What? As the... Oh! No. Oh! No. Dark black till dark. As the earth passes. Come on, this is going to be hard. I'll see you guys in 26 seconds. Guys, I don't know how, but I got selected for finishing. I got selected for finishing. What? It could be that. Bro. Imagine if it says when you get perfected, you got perfected. There goes me. Okay, I'm gonna play this again. This is very fun. Finishing. Go, 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 go. I don't know how I got it. Oh yeah, fourth place doesn't get finishing. I thought third place didn't. No. Oh. Bro. No. Ah, so shit. I'm gonna play this again. Like, this is really fun. I got saved. Right up. Oh. Imagine if I kill him being shocked. Barehanded. This video will not end until I defeat the guy. No! God saved me. God saved me. Bro. Yes! I defeated him barehanded. Guys, see you in the next video. Goodbye.